Now the hair that I'm going to use today to show you this method is going to be a drawstring pony from the Mold Do Anytime collection. Her name is Gail. I'll have her information down in my description box. Now I just did a review on her yesterday, so she's going to have her first shampoo today. But you see this coarse yaki is yeah, it needs to be softened. And so I'm going to use the vinegar and water method to soften her. So I'm just getting the hair out of the combs and the drawstring. As you see, I mean, you can comb it, but when I finish with her with this vinegar and water, she's going to comb through much better. So what the vinegar and water is going to do is soften and tame the hair. It's not going to really eliminate the tangles, but it will soften and help to manage the hair. I'm using Cream of Nature shampoo. You use whatever type of shampoo that you like. I just like the Cream of Nature brand. This is their Cream of Nature shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, yes. And the white distilled vinegar I'm using, I just got it from my local Walmart, okay? Yeah. So now we're going to rinse out the shampoo, and we already have our water and vinegar bottle ready. Spray her down really, really, really good. I sprayed her at least 2 or 3 times because this is some thick hair, and so I wanted that vinegar to get in that hair really well. Yeah. She's going to be much, much manageable as you watch throughout this video, okay? I promise you. Now I'm just gonna towel blot her because she was wet, and anytime you're dealing with yaki hair and it's wet, yeah, so it needs to be dried out some. So I'm gonna dry her, towel dry her out some, and then we're going to lay her down and comb her through. And we're going to be adding some foam wrap. I'm going to be using foam wrap that I personally like. You use whatever type of foam wrap works for you, okay? Now the one that I'm going to be using is going to be the Nairobi foam wrap because that's just my preference, but you use any wrap, okay? And do both sides. I've already done one side, and now I'm going to do the other side. And you're going to see the total difference from the beginning up to now. The comb through. That's what I mean. The total difference of the comb through. Now in certain areas, I was still getting hesitation. I probably didn't get enough of that apple cider vinegar on that side. But these other areas, I mean, just the comb just flows through it, right? Yeah, that side over there, I think I needed to add a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. I'm sorry, I'm saying apple cider vinegar, not apple cider vinegar. No apple cider vinegar. The distilled white vinegar, okay? And this is her. She's still kind of damp, just combing through her. But look at that comb going through with ease. And I also added some of my favorite hair oil. The luster on that is really natural. Loving this. And this is synthetic. This is a beautiful drawstring pony. Loving the texture. That's why I wanted to get this hair managed, because I'm going to be wearing this pony. Oh yes, that is really nice. Really, really nice. So this is how I softened my synthetic pieces. This is great on human hair as well. The vinegar has been around a long time, so it's an oldie but a goodie. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, bye bye.